So let's learn some new built-in SQL functions. Okay, the first command that we're going to learn is decode. So select decode, bracket open, DPT number, comma. If the department number is 10, then print 10. Print 10, T-E-N, 10. Okay, and if it is 20, print 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay, and if it is 30, print 30. Okay, else means if it is not 20, if it is not 10, not 20, not 30, right, then you say unknown. You say UNKNWON, unknown. Okay, same quotes, bracket close, give a name to it, say title AAA. Okay, so let's don't give a name, title. Okay, and say from EMP, semicolon. And before that we want to put here, say department number. I'll say ename, comma DPT DEPTNO, so that you can understand what is the department number. Now you press enter. Spelling mistake, DPTO. Where is DPTO? Right, so if it is 10, it is 10. If it is 30, 30. Okay, if it is 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30 and 10. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let's take another example of the same thing. We say ED, and we'll bring it this thing down. I'll break it so that you can understand it properly. So if department 10, then you have 10, right? And if it is department 20, then you have 20. Okay, then if it is department 30, we have 30. I'll put the comma here. Okay, if it is 30, and if it is not 10, not 20, not 30, then it is unknown. Okay, but I'm going to replace this word informations. Okay, say sales. Okay, then we have purchase, then we have suppose accounts. Okay, and unknown. If not 10, not 20, not 30, then we say unknown. Okay, so let's run it. Alt F4, save it and say slash. So you can see 10, 30 is account, 10 sales, right, 20 is purchase, 30 and so on. Okay, because we are given if department 10 is there, put sales, if it is 20 purchase, and if it is 30 print says accounts and so on. Now suppose if I say, I'll say ED again. Okay, ED, and I'll say if it is 10, give the department 10 whatever department is there, give 1000 rupees increment. Okay, but if it is 20, department 20, give 2000 rupees increment, and if it is department 30, give say 2500 as increment. Okay, now let's see. And if it is unknown, just give 500 rupees increment. Okay, because we don't know the department, so we're giving 500 rupees as increment. Okay, so now we'll save it. Alt F4, save it and say slash. So you can see department 10 1000, department 20 we can 2000, with 30 2500 and 500 if it's unknown. So 10 you can see 1000, 30 we can see 2500. If it's 10 we see 1000. If it's 20, 1000. But let's reduce the name. We give new title to this so that it comes near. Okay, the title is very big, so we'll say ed, and we give a title to it. We title as can see department number and AA. This is increment. Instead of AA, we'll say increment. That's better, right? So I can say ed again. I'll write it here, increment. How to write increment? Say INC, right? And Alt F4 and save it. Say slash enter. So now we have department 10, increment 30, 2500, 20, 1000, 20, 2000, 20, 20, 30, 30 we say 2500, and there's no department as unknown because we are given 10, 20, 30, right? Fine. So this way we can give different increments to different departments. This is another use of decode. Now let me show you the date functions here. The date functions, for example, select sysdate from dual semicolon. So today is 31st March 2020. Okay, but what is tomorrow's date? Tomorrow's date, I'll say plus 1. So the tomorrow's date is 1st April 2021. And what is 2 days after? 2 days after we say 2nd April 2021. Okay, but if I say sysdate 1 month, so you don't know what is a month, right? How much days are there, okay, in different months. So we can say here ADD month underscore month MONTH. So computer will give you the number of days depending upon the month. Okay, if it is April, that are 30 days, right? If it is December, that is 31 days, and so on. So let's see, if I say from the sysdate, in the sysdate add 1 month, okay, so what will happen? Let's see, error. Okay, the error is add months. Now it is right. So it is 30th April 21. Today is 31st March 2021. So if you add 1 month, 30th April 21. Now suppose if I add 2 months, 31st May 21. You can see the 31st 30, it calculates automatically for you. Okay, but if I say 3rd month, if you add 3 months from today's date, okay, so the 30th June 21st, correct? Let's see what's the higher date. Select higher date from EMP semicolon. Let's EMP number, comma, ename, comma, higher date. Higher spelling wrong, HERE. So this is the higher date, CMP number, ename, and higher date. Okay, now suppose if I add months, right? For example, ADD underscore MONTHS months to the higher date. Okay, HRE and date, comma 1 month we are adding to the higher date. Let's see what happens, and given adding to it as say HHH colon or AA colon. Okay, enter. So now here you can see 17 November, okay, Now November has become December, 17 December. This is first May, this is first June. May, after June, we are adding 1 month, right? So June, July, April, May, December, January. Right now, December, you just check it. It was December 81. Now it is January 82. Okay, note this point. So this way you can add months. Now suppose if I say I want to add 6 months, what will be the figure or the date after 6 months from today, from the high date? Okay, so this is after 6 months. So November will become May, May will become November, January will become December, April, October, December, June, and so on. Okay, now if I want to add 12 months from today, 12 months means 1 year. Okay, so 1 year, 17th November 81 will become 17th November 82. Note this point, 82, this is 81. Again May, first May, but it is, this one is 81 and this one becomes 82. Okay, 9th June, 9 June, but it is 81, this is 82. Okay, likewise we have added 1 year to the current date or the higher date, okay, from the database, okay, from the table of EMP. So these are, let's see that how many months have passed since the employees have joined the company. Okay, so we'll say month, month, month underscore between, between, between. Okay, month between. Okay, month between, we'll say here first is system date, sys date. Okay, DATE, comma, then we have sys date. One date is, the first date is the system date, second date is hire date. Okay, there should be 2 dates. Okay, so one is sys date and another one is hire date, and let's give the name as title as AAA. Okay, so it says there is an error. I think it should be months between. Okay, right. So how many months between sys date means today and the hire date? So many is the day, months actually, so many months you can say. Okay, that is 472, 478, 477, 479, 407, 471, and so on. So what to do? These are months. Say how many years. Okay, let's say how many years. So we'll divide the entire thing with 12 months. Okay, 12 months is 1 year, right? So these are in months, so I'm dividing with 12. I'll put it bracket here so that it is divided by 12 months. So I think the bracket should be here, right? This is date. Okay, bracket should be here. This bracket should not be moved. So okay, so 39 month, 39 years, you can say 39 years. Some are in 40 years, some are 33 years, right? Let's remove the decimals. How to remove the decimals? To remove the decimals, I think there is something called truncate. Exactly, whether it's positive or say if it is greater than 5, then it should be added as 1 year, right? So then should be round. Okay, I'll say round, ROUND, round. And here we say I'll put everything in bracket, right? I'll put another bracket open and I'll say comma 0 decimal. Okay, now it will be round up. Fine. So there are 39. Now let's order it. Order by AA. This is the name of this particular column is AAA. Okay, so we say order by AAA. So now it is okay. Ascending order. Since we are not given ascending or descending, by default it goes into ascending. So 34 is the least and 40 is the last. So 40, this is the oldest person actually, Smith. So Ward, not Ward, Martin, right? So Martin, Ward, Allen, and they are all getting 40 years. So they are still working in the company since the last 40 years in the company. And this person less one, right? So that is 39 years. And who are recently joined is Adam and Scott. That is 34 years. Okay. Now let's see what is the last day. Sys date. Select last day, last underscore day, say sys date. Sys date means current date. Okay, current date, sys date. So from dual semicolon, press enter. So the last day is 31st and today is last day, right? Today is 31st anyway. Say if I say hire date, so when you say hire date, we are using EMP table, so it should be EMP. Enter. So you must know the hire date also, side by side. Okay, then only it becomes easy. So we'll say comma hire date, HIREDATE, comma, we'll also say ename. Okay, so now last day 30th November of this particular month. If this is a month, the last day in this month is 30th day, and if this is the month, the last day is 31st March, 31st May. And if it is if the hire date, you are joined, this person is joined in 9th June, that means what is the last day in that particular month? 30 days. April, what is the last day? 30. April 30. April. And December, how many days are there? 31 days, right? So that is the last date. Say February, how many days? According to 81, maybe leap year, right? So there are 28 days. Okay, then we have September, we have 30 days. Then September 30 days, May 31 days, December 31 days, January 31 days. Okay, so of the same year. Okay, right? So this way you can find out the last day. This for the last day is used normally for the calculating the salary of monthly salary and so on. Okay, and monthly increments and etc. So last day and the date, whatever date you give it, according to it will find out the number of days in that particular month. Okay, so this way we understood different date functions used for calculation purpose. In the ensuing videos we'll be learning more about dates, okay, in the next session.